learn from everyone. Whenever you want to apply something in your life by listening to other people's advice, you just need to understand that is the advice that you are doing on those things, that is their perspective. Okay, they have not lived your life is unique, their life is unique. So whenever someone is giving you advice means somehow they are biased, so you need to understand like this. So whenever you are taking action, take advice from other people and also think consciously about your life, how it is going to implement in your situation, in your life. Then only you will be successful, because everybody has a unique life and your life is unique. Nobody has ever lived your life. So whenever you want to take action, any action or any important actions, then listen to everyone, then think about it consciously, think it again and again, then only take the decision. Okay, otherwise what happens is many people tell different opinions, different advices, and if you apply those advices in your life, maybe that can bring you success, happiness, but it may backfire as well, because sometimes it doesn't apply, sometimes it doesn't work like that. So you need to understand that way as well. Take others perspective, but also include your perspective. Also think yourself, take your life as the main character, that how I am going to benefit whenever I apply that advice, that opinion in my life, in my current situation, in that particular situation. Because advice also differs from situation to situation. So you need to understand that what situation you are in and what situation that person told you that thing. Also take the context, in what context that person told you and what context you are applying it. Okay, so hope you understood this. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. Thank you, bye.